Simplify 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Solution. 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 equals. Draw our division line, and then we write down our common denominator 7, and then we perform the arithmetic addition of the numerators. Therefore, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This will bring us to 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 3, and we have 6 over 7. This is the simplest term that this fraction can be. But remember that if you come at a fraction that have a common factor, you can still divide them by that factor to arrive at the simplest term of such a fraction. Anyways, 1 over 7 in this case plus 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 has given us 6 over 7. Thank you.